Here's our latest finds. We had a pretty good weekend in the creek. Found some bird points. Brandy found a killer right there. Catahoula, petrified wood. Pretty nice. A few sifts later I found a Catahoula too, but unfortunately mine's broke. Ears and base are gone on it. Killer material and flaking on it though. Should have looked something like that. See where my square ear is missing on it. I've got a hole picked out for Brandy's. Probably put it right there. Looks like mine's going to go in the B frame with some of the other brokers. Found this other pretty good bird point. Little ear dang on it. One Brandy found, made out of old yellow chert. Good bit of pottery. You can see the lines going through that. There's a rim, probably a bowl. A couple more chunks. Here's the base of a pot. It's real thick. Lots of bone and shell in it. Petrified wood Gary. Another variant of it. Same deal. Another Gary type. This one here is not ground. Where this one here has got a ground base, kind of like a Wells. This is one of those East Texas Wells Gary variants. Real similar to that, but this base is totally ground on it. A couple of brokers, broke tools. Pretty good scraper. Got some good work on it. Killer edge on it. Found a bunch of agate. Here's a big chunk with a bubbly agate on it. Some of that sparkly stuff. This one had a red vein running through it. Some palm wood. You can see the wormholes in it. Pretty good looking point. Base is going on it. Some of that agatized wood. Alright, see y'all next time. Looks like Brandy's got a Catahoula sitting right on top.
Look how he's just sitting there, just plain as day. Perfect. Heck yeah.
It's pretty cool.